Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to make a Basque style cheesecake using the Vibe blender. A few ingredients go a long way to making the perfect dessert. It's great for when you've got people coming around or for just when you need a little treat. This is a really simple but special cheesecake. It's not too sweet, but it's sure to impress. Before you get started, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and line a 7-inch springform cake tin. Then all of these ingredients go into the Vibe blender. Start with 4 large eggs, followed by 1 cup of whipping cream, a teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of plain flour or corn flour, 500 grams of cream cheese chopped into small pieces, 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar, and a pinch of salt. Choose smoothie mode and turn it down to speed 4. Blend for 30 to 40 seconds until nice and smooth. Pour the batter into the prepared tin and tap it on the bench to release any air bubbles. Bake for around 40 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top has that nice golden color and is still jiggly in the center. The cake will rise significantly, but once cooled, it will deflate and turn darker and shiny. Remove the cheesecake from the oven and let it cool down completely at room temperature. Once it's cooled down, place it in the fridge to set for at least 4 hours before removing and serving. You can serve this cake cold, but it's best at room temperature. The simplest and easiest Basque cheesecake recipe you'll come across. The Vibe blender has done an excellent job. It looks amazing. It's got that creamy inside and that iconic burnt outside. This one is a real party pleaser. I hope you give it a go for yourself at home. I think you're gonna love it. And if you do, then let us know how you went in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back really soon with another great recipe.